Hello, I'm Devesh from EVERYLITE, and today I will be talking to you about our range of power supplies.
When it comes to our power supplies, we have the ALA series, the VAL series, and the EVE series. The ALA series comes in a 60 watt model, the VAL series comes in a 60 and 100 watt model, and the EVE series comes in a 150 and 240 watt model. While our ALA series is only available in 12 volt, the VAL and EVE series are both available in 12 and 24 volt. Our power supplies also come in UL Class 2 and non-Class 2 versions. What this means for you is that the output current will not exceed 5 amps on the output leads as mandated by UL safety regulations. When it comes to UL Class 2 requirements, we've got you covered. From our 60 watt single lead model, or the 100 watt model with 2 output leads, or the 150 watt model with 3 output leads, and even the 240 watt model with 4 output leads.
We offer top quality products by protecting them with the highest IP rating in the market, and we offer a range of voltage and wattage options for all of your needs.
Contact your local sales representative for more information or to utilize our free layout service for recommended spacings.